Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser drawer in the Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new detergent drawer. The dispenser drawer stores and dispenses the detergent, the fabric softener, and the bleach at the right times. The main reason for the dispenser drawer to be replaced is if it's broken and leaks. Well, we're going to work on the top of this beautiful washer machine, so suggest to put a towel on, so avoid any explanation to your best half about the scratches. Now we're going to pull out the drawer. Press down the tab in the left rear corner and remove the dispenser drawer completely. Remove the cup and the cover. Turn the drawer over. Press down the tabs and working with a flat blade screwdriver, remove the frame and the handle from the dispenser drawer. And using the flat blade screwdriver, push in 2 tabs and remove the conveyor from the old drawer. This is the old detergent drawer next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install the handle and the frame onto the new dispenser drawer. Match the bottom slots with the tabs and bring the tops together. Push 3 top tabs into the top slots and lock them. Install the conveyor and lock the tabs. Turn the dispenser drawer over and install the cover and the cup. Slide the dispenser drawer in, push the tab, and close it completely. Now we can remove the towel. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.